In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a content block in Mailchimp. Duplicating a block is a quick way to keep your design consistent and save time, especially when you want the same layout or style to appear more than once in your email. Instead of rebuilding a text area, image, or button from scratch, you can copy an existing one and make light edits, keeping your branding aligned from top to bottom. Start by opening your Mailchimp account and heading to your dashboard. Once you're in, go to Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns live, including drafts and previously sent messages. Locate the campaign you want to work on, then open the email editor by choosing your campaign and selecting Design Email. This takes you directly into the builder, where you can see your layout and all the building blocks that make up your message. In the editor, click the content block you want to copy. A content block is any individual piece of your email, like a text paragraph, an image, a button, a divider, or a social follow section. Choosing a well-formatted block here ensures the duplicate will carry over the same styling, spacing, and settings. When the block is selected, look for the small toolbar that appears on or near the block. On that toolbar, click the duplicate icon. It typically looks like two overlapping squares or a copy symbol. If you're unsure, hover over the icons to see their labels. The one that says duplicate or copy is the one you need. A single click is all it takes to make a copy. You'll see a duplicate of the block appear directly below it in a single column layout, or beside it if the original sits within a multi-column section. This is expected behavior and helps keep the structure intact. The copied block will inherit the same formatting, colors, and alignment as the original, which makes it perfect for repeating sections like feature highlights, testimonials, or product cards. Now edit the duplicated block as needed. Click into the text to change headlines or body copy while preserving fonts and sizes. If it's an image block, replace the image and update alt text to stay accessible. For a button, adjust the label and paste in the correct link, making sure the URL is accurate. You can also tweak minor design settings within the block, like spacing or alignment, so it fits seamlessly with the rest of your email. That's all it takes. Open your campaign, choose Design Email, select the block, duplicate it, and then fine-tune the copy. With this approach, your emails stay consistent, on brand, and faster to build.